7 Ways to keep your home's entrance dry during rainy season. Dear friends, people eagerly await the rainy season to get respite from the searing heat of summer. But refreshing as the rains are, they can cause a lot of problems, especially the mud and dirt that enters and settles in our home's foyers and entryways. Here are some simple ways to keep your home's entrance dry and clean during the rainy season. Dry home entrance tip number 1. Hang it up. Expect guests to arrive dripping wet at your doorstep. Arrange for a temporary coat hanger in your entryway where they can put up their wet raincoats and umbrellas. You can also use hooks for this purpose. If you don't want to hammer away into your wall, keep a deep bucket aside for umbrellas. Dry home entrance tip number 2. Open storage. Switch closed cabinets and shoe racks in your entryway with open ones. This way your footwear dries easily, significantly reducing the chances of fungal and mold growth. If you can't do away with your closed storage, use camphor balls, naphthalene balls, or neem leaves to eradicate moisture. Silica gel packets are very effective as well and can be put inside footwear when not in use. Dry home entrance tip number 3. Effective doormats. Keep large doormats in front of the door so that people can clean their shoes on them before entering. It is advisable to use bamboo, rubber, or core doormats for the monsoons as they soak up water more quickly than regular cloth ones. The whole point of this exercise is to significantly reduce dirt coming in from outdoors, so if you can add a rug on either side of the doorway, even better. Dry home entrance tip number 4. Train the pets. If you have children or pets in the house, you will know the disasters that can occur with them coming into the house with mud and water. Train your children and pets to clean themselves or discard muddy clothes before entering the house. Dry home entrance tip number 5. Handy towels. A dry foyer cannot remain so without towels. Make sure that there are towels available when people come dripping wet. It makes it easy to clean and dry oneself quickly and also gets rid of excess water. Dry home entrance tip number 6. Light curtains. Choose curtains that are easy to dry for the doors and windows. Lock up your expensive drapes and go for light cotton or chantilly lace instead. These curtains aren't just pretty to look at but also allow proper ventilation, which is vital as homes tend to get stuffy during rain. Dry home entrance tip number 7. Smell heavenly. Locking up your doors and windows for most hours of the day will inevitably leave your interiors with a musty odor, especially in the foyer. Keep damp smells at bay with scented candles or incense sticks. Alternatively, you can opt for reed diffusers or aromatic air fresheners. Follow these tips and ensure that you have a dry and dirt-free home during the rainy season. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.